Did you know there's a volcano that has been erupting for over 2,000 years? It's called Mount Stromboli, located on a small island off the coast of Italy. Often called the Lighthouse of the Mediterranean, it constantly emits glowing lava fountains. Mount Stromboli is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Its eruptions are small but frequent, creating a fiery show almost every night. This continuous eruption is known as Strombolian activity, named after this very volcano. Despite the danger, people still live nearby, adapting to its rhythm. Mount Stromboli is a powerful reminder of Earth's unstoppable forces.